Me?
No, he said that he was the leader.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
I do the brain work.
It'll be a great shot in the back.
Now, before y'all start recording, I charge if I get filmed.
That's fine. Yeah, we'll cut you in on it. Yeah, we're out here at our house close to the Parkway. Cabinets are getting delivered, and I'll give you guys an update of the inside. How do we feel?
What are we down to?
Lightweight.
What about that one right there?
Oh, y'all said y'all gonna get that one.
He's a comedian and a delivery man.
Cabinets are going in through the back door. Here we are at the front. You can see the dumpsters loaded down again. The ramp is still here. We have elected to keep the ramp, much to the dismay of pretty much everyone on Facebook. So,
He's got his guns out.
I think I might have got him.
Oh.
Yeah.
What had been done before.
The bricks have been painted. This is the fireplace room. A lot of you weren't thinking we should paint this, but we did. Here's the kitchen currently. You can see new floor, and it's been gutted. Everything is ready for the cabinets to be installed. Here are all the cabinets here. This is what the living room looks like. You can't have a new shower without a niche for your shampoo, scrubbing items, other things. All right, the main bathroom off the hallway is here. We've got tile here, new tub, of course, new toilet, vanity coming on the 22nd. Master bathroom's looking good. New tile floors in.
He was at the very last page.
Very last page.
Where there was like 3 things.
Yeah, all right, cool.
You got
And then there's a door bank 21.
DB 21, how many of those? Just one?
Yep.
Yeah. All right, good deal.
Did you get the 2136?
Yes.
Sir.
So of the two of you guys, who would you say is the leader of this this group?
Well, he's a driver, but I don't know. I kind of make most of the decisions sometimes.
That's what I like to hear.
I try to.
Oh man.
All right, let me get in front. Or we can walk sideways.
Big old lazy Susan. Once it's in, it ain't coming out.
Me?
No, he said that he was the leader.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
Who's the real leader?
That's me.
So you make most of the decisions.
He does.
I do the brain work.
Oh gosh. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how would we say this delivery went today?
Oh, this was a 12.
This was 12. So,
I would agree. No, this was excellent.
This was one of our smoother deliveries.
This thing could go a little faster, couldn't it?
A little bit. She's a little bit slow in the cold.
Time to see the boss man's backing up skills here. Oh my gosh, this looks awesome, Josue.
You like it?
Yeah, it looks great.
So it's, yeah, they're just little things that slide in.
How about
that.
how about we'll take them off and put some either silicone or caulk to keep it there.
Yeah, instead of the metal
Yeah,
things.
Right.
So that's the update on the house on the Parkway currently. I'd say we're about 80% there. Once we get this kitchen done and these vanities done, we'll be super close to being wrapped up. Still got a lot of landscaping, and we're gonna do new gutters outside. But overall, this puppy is flying. Now we're off to look at another house on this exact same road.